Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aliyu Yahya. I'm here with you today to discuss about WPS Office for your smartphone. Actually, WPS Office is an application software which is based on the computer and the smartphone. So we're going to talk about the smartphone application right now. So here is the icon for the WPS. We can open it like this. Sorry, it's taking me a little longer to open it. Actually, as we can see here, this is the application for the WPS Office on for our smartphone, which we can use in order to sort our problems that we supposed to use computer for that such kind of problems. So when you go to web, you can check about WPS Office. Here is the WPS Office. As you can see, application is already installed on my phone, so you can go to Google Play or App Store in order to download this application for your smartphone. So here is WPS Office. It's an office suite for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Linux OS, iOS, and Android, developed by Zhuhai-based Chinese software developer Kingsoft. WPS Office is made up of three components: WPS Writer, which is for the word processing activities, and WPS Presentation, which is made for the slideshows and animations, and the WPS Spreadsheet, which is made for electronic calculations and data analysis. This personal application basic version is free to use. Actually, you can use this application without data connection or with data connection, but it's more beautiful and suitable to use with actually data connection. But if you don't have the data connection at any time, you can use the application in order to sort your problems out. So let's get back to the WPS Office application. So here we are. These are the reason. As you can see here, this Olivia here 469, this is the username I use when you download the application. So you're gonna log in, or you're gonna create sign off for your actually account in order to create an account for the WPS Office. So yes, here you are. This is my account. I created account which I use the username Aliyu here 469. So as you can see here, I got a no zero coins. You can buy so many coins that will give you the ability to be downloading some templates. We're gonna talk about templates later. So here are WPS Cloud. WPS Office gives you ability to store your information, your documents on cloud base, but this needs data connection in order to be completed. Go Premium, this gives you the ability to buy some coins that you're gonna get an ability to actually be downloading some kind of templates, some kind of ready-made and quick layout documents. So my templates here, that's what I was talking about right now, about template. Font, this is a kind of textile that you're gonna buy, you're gonna download. As you all know that this kind of so many things has changed now. You're not gonna get so many things free. So hence you're gonna buy some kind of fonts, textile. So recycle bin, when you clean some document that you might think that you don't need it anymore, later you need that document. So that document will be saved for you for at least 7 to 10 days in WPS recycle bin, which you need data connection in order to download it. While my wallet, here is my wallet. The orders you make will be shown in this orders here. Coupons, the coins you have to buy some kind of templates or quick layout documents. Restore processes, when you want to restore any processes, man. This redeem code, this gives you ability to put the code or to redeem it when you want to make an order. So let's get back to actually WPS for computer. As we see in that website that we got, WPS is made for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Linux, and so many things. That means WPS is not made only uh, for the smartphones. It's made both for the smartphone and for computers. There's one suitable version that was made for the computer. When you go to your computer, when you go to App Store or Mac Store, you're gonna download this kind of application on your computer, so you can transfer your document from your phone onto the computer when you want it, or when you have a chance for doing that. So follow us on Facebook. This deals with social media while setting. This gives you the ability to come into the common settings password. You may need to get a security for your WPS when you have a lot of document that needs to be secured. So you're gonna come and passcode it, encrypt it in order, to protect it, to put password. So let's get back. Receive files. This is gonna show you how what are the types of files you received. New document tips. Display the new documents on home page. Remain on handle tips in the notification bar. So when you get a new files, you will get notification. You get them in the home menu and so many things. Help and feedbacks. This gives you the ability to needs for help, to ask questions. While there are some frequently asked questions which are situated, but this need direct connection, that suitable questions. Oh, sorry, I got a lot installed on SD card. Sorry, man. How about this? About tells you what type of what version of the WPS Office are you using with. So now I'm using the upgraded version, the latest version. Version 13.8. So you can update it when you need for update. You can come here and click for update. Then you like privacy. This just come on, let's forget about that, man. There's no need for explaining that. You all know what they all mean, man. So this, we are here. As we can see, we are in the me option. Me option. That's a kind of menu. So let's go back to recent. This is the home menu. Actually, in the home menu, you can see the search, where you can search for a file, for a particular file. When you want to view a file, you know the name of the file, you can just come here and search for it. While for example, when I have a document fundamental, these are the current files I recently opened by searching. When I search fundamental, so it's loading. It's gonna take a little bit longer. Actually, I don't want to waste my time here. I know you understand what I mean with the search bar, mate. So let's get back. While here is the option where you can see the recycle bin, help, feedback, go premium, points, what we already discussed back then. Scan QR. This scan QR gives you the ability to scan a quick reader barcode, in order to get the information for that very barcode. So while here, let's go to open. Often this gives you the ability to open files due to a required by the use of some options. Document. This, you can only see the list of documents. As we can see here, all these are the list of documents. No PDF, no PPT presentation, and no Excel spreadsheet. Or what we can move here, PPT. These are the list of PPT documents. Yeah, we can open it by this. We can find a file by using this option too. While if we come to Excel, these are kind of actually spreadsheet documents, which are spreadsheet files, which are kept here. When we go to PDF, these are the types of PDFs I all get on my smartphone. So when you go to text, these are for the memo files. When you get other files, will be stored here. So you can go back, you can choose any of these options in order to get your file, as you can see. So when you come to here, you can open file. Here we open file by the option, that is document, PPT, Excel, and so on, and other things. While we go to location, this we can gives us the ability to open a file based on the location of the file. Maybe the file is stored on the device, you can go to device and open the folder where it is, but this is gonna take you some kind of wasting time procedure. While if it is for the SD card, you can go to SD card and find where the location is. But I think it is more suitable to use these options. It's more safer, or to use this option in order to search a file, than to use those go to a particular direction and file and find that file in a specific direction. That will gonna take a little bit time. So but it depends with what you likes, and what is your best chance, what you think is best for you. So actually, you can go to Google Drive. When you store your file on the Google Drive, which is a cloud-based storage, like WPS cloud is a cloud-based storage. Like here, I get a lot on space. I can save all my files on the WPS or on Google Drive, so that whenever I want the file, I will go to Google Drive and download them onto my phone. But this need data connection, don't forget. So recycle bin, these are where the stored files are, where the deleted files go for a while scanner help you to scan a document and make it or convert it into a picture. So then we go to common options. Here we can open a file based on the common options, which are download, where the usually downloaded files are stored, or WhatsApp. When somebody send us a file through WhatsApp, we can come here and go to check where he sent the file. While my documents, which is the most common area for storing or preserving a document actually. So while WhatsApp documents, these are also some kind of area where the WhatsApp documents are stored. So here we can go back to the home menu. Here are recent, as we can see here, actually recent and stored. So actually recent means these are the list of recent files that were opened from the installation of the application up to now. As you can see, I open all these documents on my smartphone. While start, as you can see, no start files, that means there's no any file I start. So here is the, as you can see, here is the start sign. Here also the start sign. Every open file has a start sign, which gives you the ability to specify that document and move and as in copy it into start, like a favorite. When you want some document, where as soon as you open the application, you want to go direct to where you want that specific files, so you can start them. They will come here to start and be saved while they are still here also. So while this option, the plus sign option, gives you ability to create a new file, gives you ability to create either a new document, a new presentation, a new spreadsheet, a new PDF, memo, or so many else. while master zoom is a kind of template. Choose templates or picture conversion and collection. All this needs data connection in order to be completed. So here is where actually you can come and create a new file. So let's get back. We're gonna talk about this in another video because I don't want to. I actually don't want the video to be a little bit longer so that it will not be boring to my people. So when we come to cloud here, cloud unable to connect the server, please, there's no network connection. So here is where I can see all my files that were stored on the cloud storage for WPS. But because I don't get data connection, I turn off the data connection. That's why I am unable to access that file. So when you come to tools, here are tools recommended for you: PDF edit, PDF to document. This gives us the ability, as we can see, PDF tools. These all tools are related to PDF. PDF is a portable document format or file, which is usually a readable file which cannot be edited, as compared to document file or spreadsheet file or presentation file. But you can convert a document or spreadsheet or presentation file into PDF. That means to make it just only readable document format. So when you come to here, image scanner, this gives us the ability to scan a file and convert it to picture, or to picture and convert it to file. But this need a data connection, while some needs some kind of actually transaction, that you need to buy some coins, or you need to pay some amount of money, a little amount of money, in order to buy some kind of options. Because this kind of options here for tools are all special options which cannot be performed just as free options. Actually, these are some kind of good and extra value options, that needs some kind of money or some kind of value in order to be performed. While templates, when you come here to templates, these are where you can get actually ready-made files. Like when you want a resume, you can download a resume or a CV which is already made. Just what you need is to change some kind of actually some kind of just like a name, I mean the information, some kind of information in that you resume. That's only what you need to change in this kind of template. Or you need a template for work on spreadsheet, accounting templates, and so many things. When you have a data connection, you will see a lot of them, and I'm going to talk about it in so many of my videos. But by the way, this is the first video I'm trying to introduce to my viewers, and furthermore, I'm going to do some kind of videos that will help you out to solve your problems on your smartphone. So while me here, we all talk about so many things. Here we talk about almost all of it. So while here, the recent is the home menu. Is the home menu here. So here is where you can come and open a file. Open an existing file. There's a difference between open an existing file and open a new file. Open a new file means to create a new file, while open an existing file is to open the file that is already stored on your device or on cloud storage. So this is the difference here, which I will gonna talk about it later. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks for listening all this kind of my video recording. Maybe I'm gonna be not some kind of you understand, some kind of good in English, but I hope you understand actually what I mean. but I'm sorry for my grammar or something like that. Maybe I'm not good in it. So thank you, but don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I and don't forget to like my videos so that I get some kind of notifications whenever I release another video, because I'm gonna release lots of videos as time goes on, so that you will learn more about WPS, because it's very helpful, really. Thanks.